Here's a song which is especially loved by the previous Lubavitcher Rebbe. It's a Chabad nigun, a Chabad song, very deep song, and it's a bit complicated. It's called the Beinoni. Beinoni means the average Jew. According to Tanya, the average Jew has a tremendous love for God, which is not always felt in his heart deep down, but it's enough to make him think about and speak about and act only in according to what God wants all the time. His thoughts, speech, and action are always controlled, but it's a bit of a battle. And that's what the book of the Beinoni is written. The Tanya is written, how to maintain such a state of devotion to God, even though you don't always feel love of God. You just are aware that God is really good. So it's called the Beinoni. Here it goes. Ready? Arada yama yana ya yama ma yama yama mama yana ma yana yama yano ya yana 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 ya yana yana yamamu arara yana yana yama yana yama ya yama mama yana ma yana yana yano ya yana yana Yamayana Yayana Yararara Yana 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 Yayamama Yana 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 Ya ya mama ya na ya na ya na ya ma ya ya na ya mama ya ya mama ya ya ma ya na ya na ya mama ya ya ma ya na ya na I am a mo yo ya na ya na ya na ya ma ya ya na ya mo arada ya mama ya ma ya mama mama ya ya na ya mama mama Ya Yamamo, Ya Yama, Ya Yamama, 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 Yo Yama, Yamama, Mama, Ya Yama, Yamama, Mama, Ya Yamamo. Ya, ya,